Hey guys, OKC Cake Lady here. Come with me as I show you guys some behind the scenes of how I made the Oklahoma City Thunder Jersey cake. These cakes are so fun to make. So I've covered the cake with buttercream. Next thing I'm going to do is add some black fondant on the armpit area, and I'll do this on both sides. The next thing I'll do is do this to the neck area. Now, if you guys don't mind, please help my business by just hitting the share button at any point during this video. I would appreciate it so much. It does help my business more than you know. Okay. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is cover the entire cake with orange fondant because I wanted to make their orange jersey. Why? Because that's my favorite one. So after I've covered the entire cake, I'm going to go ahead and remove my excess fondant. The next thing I'm going to do is remove the fondant from the armpit area. Now this is going to expose that black fondant that I put around the neck area. It'll all make sense here in just a bit. Just keep watching. I want to say thank you so much to you all for actually watching my videos, for all the positive feedback you guys give, for not nitpicking on the cakes and pointing out little things that may not be flawless, because my cakes are not flawless, y'all. I'm a human. I mess up at times. These are not machine made and they're not going to be perfect, but it's my art made the way I want it to look. So thank you to those of you that do that. Now, next, I'm actually adding the trim on the jersey. If you're familiar with this jersey, it has blue, it has white, and these jerseys really, really do pop. I think we have some of the best jerseys in the league. Sorry to those who like other teams' jerseys, but we have the best. I'm just kidding. Not really. Now, back to the cake. So right there, I've added some logos on the cake. Now I'm adding some stitching because I love adding all the little details into these cakes. When you see them, or if you have seen them in person, you will notice a lot more details than I actually show on these videos. Right there, I'm adding the OKC on the front. And of course, I chose number 2, Shea Gilgis Alexander, for this jersey. Now I'm adding the little darker orange lines that you see on the side of the jersey by just painting some food coloring on the side. That is one of the things I love about this jersey so much. Again, you guys, hit that share button for me. I would appreciate it. It's just like a little tip to help my business. So if you want to tip me, in a sense, that's the way to do it. Just hit the share button, tag somebody, tag another Thunder fan, or just an NBA fan in general. I would appreciate it very much. Check out more of my other videos too, because I do have other videos where I show a little bit of how I actually make these cakes. This is one I actually made just for fun. It's not a cake that I sold or anything. I do love making cakes that much. I will make them for fun. This is the final look of this cake right here, guys. Let me know in the comments how you like this cake. Let me know what you guys want me to make next. And if I can get to it, I most definitely will. If you're not following my page, I definitely hope that this video will make you hit that follow button and share the video. I love you guys. Let's go Thunder. I cannot wait for this season. I'm so excited.